Hello, I'm Dr. Mandel Sher, Medical Director of Center for Cough. Thank you for your interest in learning about cough and how Center for Cough and I can help you or someone you know. A nagging, persistent cough that just won't go away is more than a nuisance. Cough often triggers other medical problems such as hoarseness, fatigue, urinary incontinence, and even depression. Chronic cough can lead to devastating social consequences. Cough and throat clearing disrupts work and school performance, irritating coworkers and classmates. Anxiety develops from the fear of coughing in social situations, such as going to a theater or a church. While chronic cough is a common medical problem that affects millions of coughers and their families, friends, and colleagues, it is the focus of very few physicians. Center for Cough is the only center in the southeastern United States dedicated to the diagnosis and treatment of chronic cough. The center has a comprehensive and coordinated approach to identify all the conditions contributing to cough and personalizes a treatment plan that will bring prompt improvement, if not resolution, of your cough or throat clearing. My focus on cough reflects 30 years dedicated to caring for adults and children with allergic, respiratory, and immune problems, practicing and teaching both in the community and at medical centers. My mission is to help frustrated patients unravel complex medical problems and find solutions that transform lives. I invite you to explore our website and learn more about Center for Cough and how it can work for you.